Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satyal here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix Microsoft Edge error code Inet y download failure in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type cmd or command prompt, right click and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control, select yes or click on yes. In this video description, you can see three comments. The first option is for build 10158 or newer. You can try the first option. Right click in the title bar, select edit and paste or Ctrl V and hit enter. You can receive or show this message, okay. If you receive invalid parameter solution, you can try the second command, and for previous builds of Windows 10 you can try the third command in the description. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.